Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Esra. Today I have another easy Dollar Tree DIY to share with you. I promise you it's really easy to make and it cost me only $4 and everything is from Dollar Tree. I made a kitchen paper towel holder for myself. I wasn't really happy with what I was using in my kitchen. So if you're new on my channel, please consider subscribing. I am doing DIYs and shopping hauls in this channel. So all that being said, let's get into the work.
First, you need a bamboo cutting board and a rolling pin and two of these wood signs. I like the saying on them, love the wine you're with. This would be a really nice gift to a friend who loves wines. You also need a strong glue like E6000 or Gorilla Glue and a hot glue gun. I started by removing this sticky tag. I had to take it because the back will be visible. Then I decided where my pin and wood sign will be on my board. I used an unopened paper towel here and make sure that you're using one like that because you need to know that how close you want to put your pin and wood sign together on your board. Before I glue down everything, I put some marks on my board where the pin and wood sign will be. That's what I'm measuring over here. But you don't have to be so precise. If you want, you can even stain or paint your pin, but I liked it this way. After deciding, I used my E6000 and my hot glue gun. The reason why I'm using hot glue gun is that I don't want my pin to move. E6000 takes longer time to stick. Then with the same method, I glued my wood sign. You need to wait minimum 24 hours for E6000 to adhere to the board. I didn't want to leave the top of the pin empty. You can totally leave it like this, but I wanted to add something else. I removed the wine glass shape which was on top of this another wood sign. It is very easy to remove. Just turn the glass shape side to side and it will eventually come off easily without breaking. Then I glued this piece on top of the pin facing the same direction with the other sign. I put some gemstones to give some weight on the sign and the pin, but I actually recommend putting weight on the pin before you glue the glass shape on top of it. Wait for a day and then add the piece you want to add. You can add nail or screw under the board through the pin for better strength. Let me know what you think. It looks so cute in my kitchen and I'm very happy that I made something useful for my kitchen. If you like this video, please do not forget to give thumbs up so that YouTube can see this, and please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and see you next time.